Alrighty, what's good everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm really excited because as you can see in front of you, my drift tank came in. I ordered this back when I made my first restoration video on that Jeep, and it's taken this long to come in, so now we're finally making a video on it. So yeah, this was like, I think it cost me a total of like $110 Canadian, so not bad actually. So we'll have to see. You know, you kind of get what you pay for, but we'll see. It's 1/12 scale, or at least that's what it says in the box. And as you can see, it says crawler high-speed drifting vehicle, which, you know, both of those things don't go together, but maybe that's the brand. As you can see on the side, you get a pretty cool picture of it if it wasn't all this packaging on it. But, yeah, there's another one on the side. See on the back, I ordered the gray one. You could actually get the white one too, but I noticed that pretty much everyone that bought one of these on the internet got them in white, so I kind of wanted to be different. So we're gonna unbox it. I think it comes with batteries. I hope so. So yeah, let's get into it. So the box is kind of beat up, which I mean it's expected, to be honest, from Banggood, but let's see what we got inside. Oh, we gotta cut these too. Alright. Moment of truth. So there it is. It's actually looking really good. See if I can get it out. Oh, there we go. Wow, it's actually really heavy, surprisingly, which is good. That weight's good. Get this bag off of it. And there she is. You can see it got lots of suspension, which is nice. A lot of flex on it right there. It looks like the lights might work, actually. I think the door's open, yep. So this was actually... Oh, I don't know what's on the side there, if that's supposed to be like that. It's kind of weird, see that? Anyway, doesn't matter. I actually bought the one with the rubber treads. There was a version that was pretty much the same amount of money. It came with metal treads too, but I was reading in the reviews it said that it burned out the engine, and most people that I saw had the rubber, so I just went with the rubber. So that's what the bottom looks like. It's a push button for on and off, which is different. Alright, so we're gonna cut this out and open her up and try it out. Let's see what else we had in the box, actually. So we had a instruction booklet I'm not going to read, and this, which I'm guessing is the controller. So crank that open. And there we go. Feels good. So it takes 3 AA's, which is expected. Power on and off. So I can't help but notice that there's not a battery in this box, which concerns me because I ordered it with a battery, so hopefully it's tucked up inside of here. So yeah, everything was inside the bottom, which was nice because I was starting to get scared a little bit, but it's all here. Got our battery, we got it plugged in, and we're going to plug it into my computer and let it charge, and I will see you guys when this is done. I'm actually going to read the book to see how long it says that I have to charge for. So For you guys, it'll be a couple seconds, but for me, it's going to be a few hours, I'm sure. So I'll see you then. Alright, guys, here we are. Get the controller. It is cold today. It's a cold Canadian day, but hopefully the battery will do alright. And we're going to do our first test drive. I'm driving one hand, so let's see. Look at her go! It just shreds up the snow. It's not extremely fast, but it's also slippery out. I can't keep up to it walking. See if it does any drifts. Oh, that's great. Alright, let's try taking it up here. There we go. Try it in the deep snow. Oh man, look at it go. That's a machine. Now it says that the battery only lasts 15 minutes, so we'll see, but I'm very impressed with it. I was having troubles, so it turned out I just needed proper batteries, and the remote, that was the problem. Big surprise. Let's take it in the woods. This thing's having no issues at all. Which is a nice change from that Jeep, because the Jeep sucked. And if you do see it spinning at all, like when I was trying to climb up in the first part of the driveway, that's just because, I mean, underneath this little layer of snow is like ice, so it is pretty slippery. Like, I can walk on it and it won't break, so. But it's just doing its thing. Look at it go. You've got a little deep right there and it just goes right on through. So it has fully proportional throttle, which is nice. That's definitely a plus. The steering is to an extent, but it's also treads, so it's kind of hard to tell, but it's not all the way. If you want to steer just a little bit, you can. Oh, did we get her stuck? Not at all. You can also make it do 360s. Well, if it's not in the deep snow. So I say we take it for a test up the big hill behind my house. So we gotta take a right here. Man, it's not even an issue. This thing's awesome. Oh, look, it's got its bumper stuck. Oh, it stuck itself good on that tree. Look how it did that. We'll have to rescue it. She is getting filthy. I hope she's waterproof to an extent. I'll be sure to give it a good dry off when I go in. So as you can see, either some four-wheelers or snowmobiles have been through here, so there's some deep ruts. Let's see how it does. I'm gonna try and just crawl over this one. Oh, should have hit that with speed. Definitely should have hit that with speed. It doesn't care though, it just keeps going. Oh, we almost went in the ditch. So, I have these great big hills behind my house. They're called mud dumps because we used to be a mining town and there's a bunch of mine shafts, so they dug up all the dirt. So there's these great big well, not mountains, they're just little hills, but great big piles of mud that we can climb up. A lot of people use it for a four-wheeler trail or a sliding hill, but we're gonna try and see if it'll climb it. I don't think it's gonna have any issue. It's just a beast. Look at it go. As I get it stuck. Not at all. So the only issue I'm seeing is when you're trying to turn it, since it's kind of loose snow, it's having trouble moving with just one track. But, I mean, if you were on flat ground, this would have no issue. Oh. Have to crawl out. It's starting to get steep. It's struggling. We might have to just crawl. Come on. Maybe we'll go in the four-wheeler tread here. Might have a little bit better. Yeah, there we go. It's hard to steer it because my thumb barely reaches. I think it'll make it though if it tries hard enough. So close to the top, we're getting stuck. We're gonna go very light, very slow, and try and crawl up it. There she goes. Oh no. Off the road. There we go. Yeah, there she goes. It's partly my driving too, not gonna lie. If you could have stayed in the track, it would have made it up. Oh, I flipped it. Oh, I tried to climb that and it did not want to do that. I'll flip it over. See if it will climb that. I doubt it. Yeah. So now we get to go down the hill, and hopefully I don't absolutely destroy it, but I think it'll be fun. Just gotta get turned around here. Alright, down the mountain, here we go. Yeah, it's kind of my driving, I just gotta get used to it. Because your tracks actually go backwards to steer, so it's kind of difficult to steer while you drive. But that's also why it drifts so good. And obviously it's gonna have no problems on the downhill. Oh, this is one of the coolest things I've ever owned. Alright, back to the rut. Let's see if I can cross it this time. Oh, that's not good. Yeah, we got it stuck. Alright. I'll pull it out. We're gonna set it up so I can cross this gap. Let's try it. Oh yeah, right across this time. I just had to hit it with some speed. And you know what? It said 15 minutes, but I've been recording this clip alone for 12 minutes now, and it still seems to have a lot of power, so. So for a first budget RC, I can't do anything but recommend. This thing's wicked. Although, something's running out of battery though, because it's only going so far and stopping. So we might have hit that. Limit. I'm gonna see if I can figure it out. So yeah, guys, it's just kind of hopping and stopping. So I think we finally ran it out of batteries. It won't even move anymore, really, but. I mean, that's good. It said 15 minutes. We definitely got 15 minutes out of it. And it's covered in snow. And I mean, I don't know a lot about batteries, but I know that the Jeep hates the cold, so I mean, definitely doesn't help, I'm sure. So overall, I'm pretty impressed. So here we go, guys. Took the treads off. And there she is drying out. Got the wood stove just cranked, and she's giving her a good try. And there you have it. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Make sure to sub for more RC drift tank in the snow, and doing other things, of course, after the snow melts. Maybe take it mudding, maybe take it crawling, we'll see. If you have any ideas on what you want to see next with this, leave a comment down below, because I'd love to hear what you guys want to see. I have a few things up my sleeve for this, and it'll definitely be used in a lot more videos, so stay tuned and have a good one.